Hey everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Okay, this is going to be a short clip, but I had a special visitor, and I'll show you in a minute. Also, too, I'm going to have a Christmas announcement at the end. So stay tuned. Be right back. Hey everybody, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. I have a special visitor today. Let's see if you can see who it is. Can you see? Yep, Eric, Nomadic Fanatic, is here, and we're going to be going out to dinner, and he's going to check out the sights. We got a lot of quirkiness here. All right, talk to you later. Jax, do I got a toy for you? Hey, right here. Hey, Jax. Oh, there we go. But see, you lay down and play. That's how you get so big.
It's like I make you work harder than me.
Jax, you want to come home with me? Meow. Yes. Yes? Ah, that's mine. That's mine. That's mine.
Good kill.
Yep, you got him. Oh, yes. There we go. Oh, Jax does move fast. Hey, Jax. Jax, look at me. You want to come home with me? Yeah, I take good care of you.
You got tuna?
I'll get you tuna. The best tuna ever. Charlie in a can. Well, I definitely enjoyed my visit with Eric, and of Jax too. That cat is so huge. If Eric would have turned his back, he may have been missing a cat. Just kidding, Eric. All right, but thank you for visiting with me, Eric. Hope to see you again on your travels through another day, and be safe in yours. All right, in reference to this Christmas announcement, I am making a Christmas card list. This is for all my subscribers. Please, if you would like to have a Christmas card from me, you would have to email me here. The link, here's the address right here. I'm not sure which way it's going to go. And it's also, there's a link below in the description. And you send me the email with your address, I will send you a Christmas card. There might be a sticker in it for you. What do you say? If you've already received a sticker, you're still going to get a card. I believe I've already got those people's addresses. If I didn't get your address when I met up with you in Lollapalooza, you want and you still got a sticker, but you want a Christmas card, yes, you got to email me as well. Alright, now there's a cutoff date on this because I got to have time to get all them out. December 15th. This way it gets in time to you right before Christmas. Now if you're overseas or you're out of the country, in a different country, even in Canada, I believe it takes a little longer. So I'll still send it to you. You'll get a belated Christmas card, but I can't guarantee how fast it'll get to you. Alright, so again, go down to my email, put in your address, send it to me, and you'll be put on the list. Again, the cutoff date is December 15th. Alright, you all have an awesome, awesome day. If you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe. Click on that little bell so you get all the notifications. A lot of my videos are fun. Now, right now I'm off the boat, so there's not too much cooking going on like I do on the boat. There will be some, but I'm going to be doing other side videos like my tips and tricks, things like this. All right. God, here we. Can I go just one video with no blooper to where I don't have a brain freeze? I get. Okay, I'm old and senile. I got that old people's disease. Anyways, you all have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video, or I'll see you down the river. Bye-bye now.